The AI Revolution, Shaping Our Future. Ever wondered how AI is changing the world around us, from art to medicine? Let's dive into the fascinating impact of modern AI on our generation. AI isn't just about humanoid robots. It's about algorithms that learn, adapt, and solve problems. Think of the personalized recommendations you get on streaming services or the navigation apps that guide you home. AI is already deeply embedded in our daily lives, often without us even realizing it. It's powering everything from spam filters to medical diagnoses, making processes more efficient and accurate. AI is revolutionizing industries across the board. In healthcare, it's assisting with drug discovery and personalized treatment plans. In finance, it's detecting fraud and managing investments. Manufacturing is becoming more automated and efficient thanks to AI-powered robots and predictive maintenance. Even the creative arts are being transformed, with AI generating music, art, and even writing. The future with AI is full of possibilities. We can expect even more personalized experiences, smarter cities, and breakthroughs in fields like climate change and space exploration. However, it's crucial to address ethical considerations and ensure AI is developed and used responsibly. We need to think about bias, job displacement, and data privacy as AI becomes more powerful. Ready to explore the world of AI further? Subscribe to our channel for more informative videos. Share this video with your friends and let's start a conversation about the future of AI together. Leave a comment below about what AI applications you find most exciting.